Hello you guys, welcome back to Marcella's Way. So as you saw from the title, today's video is going to be all about vinyl. Okay, we're going to be starting a series about different types of vinyl and everything that you need to know to get started on whatever your crafting projects are. And I want to make sure that you guys pick the proper vinyl so you're not wasting any money buying something that's wrong. Make sure you're watching all the way to the end of the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. The first vinyl, Oracle 631, is made for cell phone cases, wall decals, and also stencils. The next vinyl is Oracle 651. It's made for glasses, tumblers, car decals, outside signs, outside projects, and things that will have heavy use. That is perfect for permanent vinyl. The next vinyl is actually called heat transfer vinyl, which is made for fabrics, t-shirts, cloth bags, denim, socks, stuffed animals. It also goes on hats and canvas shoes. Heat transfer vinyls come in cold peel, warm peel, and hot peel. So make sure that you know exactly which one you're getting, because you don't want to expect to get a hot peel vinyl, which the paper comes off easily, and you're going to get a cold peel vinyl. That's not going to be good. Transfer vinyls actually come in multiple different brands like Scissor, Cricut. Places like Amazon have different types of brands and vendors that can give you different types of vinyls, whatever it is that you need. They range from different prices. Sometimes they can be a little more expensive than others, but hey, make sure you do your research on exactly what vinyl that you're looking for before you purchase. Heat transfer vinyl, I feel, is the most versatile when it comes to textile items. The next vinyl is called printable vinyl. Now, printable vinyl comes in self-adhesive and heat transfer. Most printable vinyls are actually used with your regular inkjet printer, and they also can be used with the laser printer. The disadvantage to printable vinyl is that it's only available in 8.5 by 11. So with that being the case, it's harder to get bigger designs on a printable vinyl because it only comes in a smaller sheet. Now, different vinyls come in different forms, glossy, matte. So again, make sure you do your research on exactly what it is that you're buying. Make sure you're looking at the product description. Make sure you're looking at the instructions on it, because you, again, don't want to get the wrong vinyl because you don't realize that there's different types of specific vinyl. Again, heat transfer can have matte and glossy. And if you're going for a certain look, you want to make sure that you are being specific on the type that you want. I am so thankful that you came back to my channel. Make sure that you are liking, commenting, and subscribing. And if you have any questions about the information that I've given, make sure you come over and check me out on my Instagram page and DM me. And if I can help you, I definitely will. As usual, I have a my way, so I can inspire you to have a your way.